Okay, starting again. I tried not to let you miss anything. There was a big, huge part that I forgot to record, but I'm just publishing my first video. So if you haven't seen that one, check that one out first, then come back to this one. But yeah. So today's 4th of July for the fireworks show. As most of you know, if you don't celebrate 4th of July, that's okay. I'll still let you see what you're missing. But Brandon, stop jumping. Come over here.
Oh yeah. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
I don't have a zoom on this one, so it's kind of hard to see. But in IRL, it looks amazing.
It's so cool.
You just go out there. It's way better view. Yeah, way better. It's a way better view out there. Hurry, go outside. It's a way better view. I'm just trying to make them stop jumping. No, Brandon, go out there. It's a way better view. Already 2 minutes long. Feels like 1. Don't drive the Jeep. Take away all the fireworks magic. But man, this is cool. I haven't really checked the camera, see if it's in a good angle or not. So I'll try to get it in a good angle. Oh, there's a big one. I'll try to show you both. Okay, that one's not shooting anymore.
Too close. Come back this way.
But man, this is cool. Hashtag totally not using proper grammar on that part. Fingers stuck away. This is amazing. I'm just gonna stop commentating. I'll just put it on my camera stand. Not camera stand, tablet. I'm videotaping on a tablet. Latest version in 2017. This isn't 2017, it's 2019. It was the latest version in 2017. I'm just gonna stop commentating. Yeah, I could make a lot of money. I actually haven't checked the audio for this video or the other video that I posted, the first one. So I'm not sure if you can actually hear me or not because of the big bangs of the fireworks. So if you can hear me, drop a like. Yep, this is definitely the finale. Okay. Okay. Man, my tablet's gonna run out of space soon. Already 4 minutes long. If you enjoy content like this on this channel, then make sure to subscribe, slap that notification bell. Leave a comment down below what your favorite part was. Man, that's pretty. Whoa! Definitely the finale. Oh, no, that's the finale. That's the finale. They aren't just using fireworks from the gas station. Oh, no, they're using real fireworks this time, baby. Nice. I can hear the people cheering. Okay. So that's... Wait, what? Oh, there's still more. Those are the leftovers, Mom says. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out. I just said that because I have no other jingle or ending thing that I should say. I can't think of anything. I'm lazy, okay? Just